Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. If you are watching me for the first time, please press that red button for more videos. So in this video we want to prepare our chicken wings sauce. Okay, so this is my chicken wings. See, we have some dry fish, egg, and cow skin. So this is my pepper, this is scotch bonnet and bawa. Okay, this is tomato, green pepper, spring onion and carrot. I have onion, groundnut oil, this is salt and seasoning cubes. So I want to pour the groundnut oil inside my pot. Watch out for our previous video how we prepare our groundnut oil. It's on my YouTube channel. This is original groundnut oil I prepare. Okay. Beautiful people, subscribe for more videos. This is nice, so it's ready. I want to take it down. So beautiful people, our chicken wing sauce is ready, and egg. So share, like, comment, press the notification bell to all. Mwah! See you in our next video. We are going to eat this sauce with. Thank you very much. Mwah!